winter collection iced blonde. Why do you want to use Aloxxi's violet shampoo? Anytime that I'm looking to work with a guest or work with a client and cancel yellow that I see in the hair, violet shampoo. The opposite of yellow is violet, and that's what it's best for. But where do we also use it? In our wintry icy blondes, which is all about the trend right now. We want that smoke. We want that beautiful, cool result. Any of our clients that are looking to transition or they want to embrace their gray hair, violet shampoo is a perfect match for them to help cancel that yellow pigment that sometimes happens if they have minerals in their water. Daily aggressions. When our guests or our clients love that flat iron, they take out that beautiful toner we put in. Violet shampoo is your answer for that. Look at that pigment. I kid around and say, it's not the violet shampoo that we were all looking at when we were in beauty school that was very sheer. When we use it in the salon, we use it as a flash tone, or we've pulled off that lightener, we want to go in a cool direction. Let me use my violet shampoo as a toner. It's a beautiful flash tone to take you in the direction that you're looking to go. Beautiful, icy, toned with violet shampoo. And this is what it was before. You can see the difference after one use. So using it as a flash toner is a great way to use it in the salon, but also for Deborah to go home and maintain that cool result. I love our charcoal lightener on levels 6 and above to give me a beautiful, icy, blonde, cool result. In the winter, we have a lot of blondes that do come in and they want that cool result, or it's just never blonde enough for them. Charcoal lightener is a beautiful way to lighten the hair and tone at the same time when working with levels 6 and higher. Now, that doesn't mean if I'm a level 1 to 5, I shouldn't be using it. Absolutely use our charcoal lightener for levels 1 through 5. 1 through 5 will bring you up, you'll get your 9 levels of lift, and you'll get a cooler result. But if you want that icy blonde result, level 6 and higher brings you all the way up and gives that nice toning property. Now, why charcoal? Beautiful purification when lifting. You see it in toothpaste to whiten. You see it in skincare to brighten. Why not have it in our lighteners to lift and purify as you go up through the levels to give it a beautiful, icy result? When using our charcoal lightener, you can feel comfortable that you're using something that is conditioning at the same time. A lot of our clients are using hyaluronic acid on their skin to keep it looking young. We have polyglutamic acid, and polyglutamic acid is 4 to 5 times more moisturizing than hyaluronic acid. So imagine the confidence you can have in going in and using a lightener that is 4 to 5 times more moisturizing. You have an ingredient in there to lift the hair and maintain its condition. Acacia collagen is another star product that we have in our charcoal lightener. These are our bond building ingredients that we have to help us lift the hair but keep the hair in beautiful condition. We are seeing beautiful tones that are shiny, pastel, icy, the feel of winter. And I wanted to show you on Deborah what those look like. There are 3 toners that we have from our Tones. Tones is our demi-permanent line. The first one is going to be our 9P or our 9 Pearl. That is a level 9 with a small amount of violet and a small amount of blue designed to cancel and give an ice color. So you're canceling those yellow tones. You're giving a beautiful deposit. So I have here our 9P. And again, I left that section open so you could truly see the difference of when someone is toned with a 9P in my first segment here. My second one is a 10AA or a level 10 with ash or blue. So a level 10, blue, and that truly speaks to that smoky tone. So again, a 10AA, and let's take a look and let's grab a section that wasn't toned, and you could see the difference that the toner made on that. The next one is our 9V. So a 9 with a violet, strong violet, and you can see that beautiful result all the way throughout on the hair. And again, looking at what it looks like when you contrast the two together. All three of those are in your winter collection or your ice blonde collection. We want to make sure that our guests are maintaining their hair at home. For me as a colorist, it's so important that what she looks like day 1 when she leaves the salon is what she looks like on day 21. And that is done with maintenance. Anytime I'm working with a blonde client, I let them know up front, this is a commitment. These are the services we're going to do today to get you where you want to go. But on your end, I want you to maintain it. So it's super important that we make sure we set them up for what to go home with and use to keep that hair feeling good, to keep that integrity good, and to make sure those tones are staying where they are. So you had the violet shampoo, so we can use the violet shampoo in the salon, but it's also a great take-home product. Instaboost Ultimate Platinum Conditioning Mask. Ultimate Platinum Conditioning Mask. Super important because 1, we're depositing color each time we use it. Now look at that color pigment on there. Looks familiar? Looks like the same intensity as our violet shampoo. So that's going to allow our blonde guest to keep that coolness or that iciness all the way through until she comes back. So she'll be maintaining that. I also love keeping my Instaboost in salon in order to be sure to have a quick flash toning alternative. So someone comes in, they happen to be coming in for a haircut today, they're one of my blonde clients, I keep my Instaboost ready to go to help give me a quick boost of the tone that I'm looking for. So Ultimate Platinum is a great marriage for my icy blonde clients that are coming in right now. So we had where I've toned her all the way throughout, so I stopped there with the 9V. But right here, you can see that icy look from just one use of the Instaboost Ultimate Platinum. And again, I like to show the cross-reference. From one use of the conditioner, you can see where our Instaboost Color Conditioning Masks instantly deposits the color and it makes a change in what that hair looks like. So the client can feel good that they're conditioning their hair. They're protecting their hair from UVA and UVB rays. Super, super important to have a protection from blue light. We have an ingredient called lutein in there, and lutein is going to help protect you from the blue light that so many of us are staring at screens, which if you're watching me right now, you're staring at a screen emitting blue light. So having a conditioner that allows you to be protected, and the beautiful ingredients in there, we've got coconut oil, we've got shea butter to really just nourish that hair too as well. So that is our Iced Blondes winter collection.